Whether you're already a riff hero, or you're still a riff zero, this fun drill, riff, run, repeat, will take your riffing to the next level. You can make it as easy or as hard as you like. Pick a song, preferably a slow one with long notes and time between the lines. Now sing it a cappella without a backing track or instruments and try to put in as many riffs as you can. But here's the catch. You need to repeat the same riff 3 times. Riff, run, repeat. Only then are you allowed to continue. If you mess up, tough luck, you have to start over. This forces you to sing and practice clean riffs consciously, instead of just randomly hitting some notes and having them sound cool every now and then by accident. You know what I mean? Here's an example. When you're weary, weary, weary. 3 times so I can continue. Feeling small, 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 small. Not the cleanest riffs, but I can decide to give myself a pass and continue to the next line, or I will continue to practice the line until it's perfect. If it turns out the riff you had in mind is unrepeatable, it's just too hard for now, you can replace it with an easier riff and then continue. When doing this drill, you can give yourself complete freedom with these riffs, but this can actually be really hard. So to make it easier, or if you notice you keep recycling the same riffs again and again, give yourself a limitation. For example, all riffs need to go up. When you're weary, feeling small. Or they need a big jump. Weary. Or only 3-note riffs. When you're weary. 4-note riffs. Weary. 8-note riffs. Weary. Etc. If you get stuck with a song or with a certain riff, here are some ideas to help you continue. 1. Lower the tempo to make it easier. 2. Raise the tempo to make it harder. Or number 3, you can steal a riff from one song and then try to sing it at the end of every line in another song. This one drill, riff, run, repeat, has unlimited variations, and you can make it as easy or as hard as you like. Whatever your riffing level right now, it will help you improve. For extra fun, you can also do this with someone else. You think of a riff, repeat it 3 times, they repeat it 3 times, and then you swap roles, and they come up with a riff. And here's a quick tip for cleaner riffs. Add an H in between the notes of the riff, as if you're lightly laughing. Ha! This sneaky little trick will instantly clean up your riffs and give the separate notes more definition. Hey! Versus hey! The best thing you can do for your riffs right now is to pause this video and try riff, run, repeat for yourself. After, if you enjoyed this video, here's another video I think you'll like, and here's my free ABC voice model mini course that will help you improve your range, stamina, and control, and help you sing without straining. It's free. Enjoy.